So far we are loving the vibe. We just arrived in Jakarta. We are so excited to be here. This place looks fantastic. We cannot wait to explore. We're gonna stay here in Jakarta for at least a week, and then from here we're gonna travel around Java for a month from west to east. So we are so excited. We cannot wait to share that with you. We just came from Bali. The way here was very smooth. The airport wasn't too busy, mainly locals, but everything very easy, very smooth, easy travel. After landing, we just got a taxi from the airport to our accommodation. We are staying in the central area of Jakarta, Grokol. It's pretty easy access to anywhere we wish to go to visit the main attractions. Here we are, ready to rock the roads and see what Jakarta has to offer. Pick is taking shower, I'm getting myself ready. We are so excited. We don't know what to expect. We do have a list of places what we would like to visit. Therefore, if you guys know any place, any kind of food, any attraction, leave down in the comment, share with us, because we're gonna need your help. As you can see, we are no longer in Bali. Here, this big city is crazy, but stay there with us today because we're gonna take you around to do the famous jalan-jalan around Jakarta, share our experience, take the bus together. Right now, we are walking towards the bus stop. We got our card. I'm super excited, so let's go. Right here we have to scan our application, which I never get the name right of this application. I will put right there for you so they can see that you have the vaccine certificate, and then you can board on the bus. Something very different here. The ladies and the gentlemen, they cannot sit together. There is a specific area designated for the women, and the boys, they take the half and right of the bus, the end of the bus for themselves. They do not mix. Very interesting, and we got to know by accident because we wanted to sit next to each other, and the ladies said, no, 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 no. As all the big cities, it's a bit intimidating get here, but if I can give you a bit of advice, have internet on your phone, because the offline maps from Google doesn't really work well, and just go easy, follow step by step. People here are very kind and nice. They're gonna walk you through. If not, they're gonna take you and put you in the right place and go. And from what I can see, even though the traffic is crazy, insane, the public transport works super well. The bus, they have their own lane, so you never get stuck in traffic. Super handy. From our home to the central Jakarta took no longer than 7 minutes and was a very pleasant experience. That's a perfect moment to introduce you our collab of the day, Jakarta Kolaborasi. I'm kidding, it's just an opportunity to tell you, if you didn't subscribe yet, hit the button. We are in Jakarta and we're gonna travel all around Java, so stay with us because much more content is on the way. Look guys, in the middle of Jakarta, city center, look how many cats are here. This fella, he takes care of them, he's feeding them. Look, I got scared, look.
Sayang!
Hey!
Sayang! Sayang!
And out of nowhere we got surrounded by cats. Look. So far we are loving the vibe of the city. The city has all in one: food, religion, place to visit. It's fantastic. Due to the current situation, some of the attractions they cannot be accessed by tourists. They are only restricted for the locals. It is what it is. A very interesting fact about the cathedral and the mosque. The cathedral was here before, and so the ex-president of Indonesia, he decided to build the mosque very close to it, so then they could show the world and Indonesia that they can live in perfect harmony between either of the religions. This is super unique, super interesting.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I have to say, we love this place so much. The vibe of the city, the people, the transport, which was surprisingly easy to get along and to understand where to go. I mean, it's a big city, yes, we forgot how a big city works, but I have to say, we are in love with Jakarta. I cannot wait for tomorrow to hit the road and explore much more. Stay there, because much more contents are coming. Like and subscribe, and as always, I see you in the next one.